Okay guys, we got a 2021 GMC Yukon Denali. I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter. So the first thing we're going to do is open this up. From there, we're going to pop this piece off right here. Hopefully you can see that. Just pop it off, and so it's off like that. Next, you're going to push these pieces in. Sorry that the sun is in the way. Okay, from there, I'm just going to play around with this. I think you just have to push this in and then pop it out. So push this piece in so this latch will come off. And that's your cabin air filter. You can pull it out and check it out. This one's good, but I just wanted to show you how to do it. So let's put it back together now. So this piece goes in right there, and then we're gonna put it in like this, slide it over, and attach it like that. Next, we're gonna put this on, pop that in, and then this piece right here we need to attach back on, and that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.